Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to buy crypto on Binance. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to binance.com. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, click on Deposit button, which is at the top navigation bar. Now select how you want to deposit the crypto assets. You can buy with CHF, which means buying the crypto from bank transfer, credit card or more. You can also do P2P trading, which means buying directly from users, competitive pricing and local payments. If you have crypto assets, you can deposit crypto by clicking on this button. Now choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy by clicking on this drop-down menu. After that, enter the amount in your local currency. Binance will calculate the equivalent amount of crypto you will receive. After that, you need to verify your identity. If you already have verified your identity, you do not have to do this process. After that, review the details including transaction fee and confirm your order. Complete any additional verification if prompted, such as OTP or two-factor authentication. Once the transaction is complete, you can find a cryptocurrency in your wallet. Binance may have limit on the amount you can purchase based on your verification level. For beginners, the Convert feature under Trade offers an easy way to exchange one cryptocurrency for another. So that is how you can buy cryptocurrency in Binance. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.